Hi guys, welcome to TechFox. Today in this video, we are going to see how to make $100 per day using this Adsterra click trick. So now let's see how we can earn this amount of money per day using this simple trick. And stay tuned until the last moment of this video to earn $100 per day using Adsterra. So now let's jump into it. And the first step in the process of earning $100 using Adsterra. Let's proceed to the adsterra.com website. And this it's adsterra.com, and this is an awesome website. And you can follow up my old videos to learn what is Adsterra and how we can sign up, and also a quick recap that how to make an account in Adsterra simply by just clicking on sign up, and you need to select whether you are an affiliate or a publisher or an advertiser. You can select just as a publisher in order to sign up, and it will ask you the details. As I am already having an account, it redirected me to my account, and so this is the adsterra.com dashboard. And let's proceed to the direct link section. Soon after you sign in, you just proceed to the direct links section, and I'm going to reactivate my direct link one over here. And how to create a new direct link, simply by clicking on add new direct link, and by clicking on non-adult, and we can avoid these types of ads, and we can just click on add in order to add. So now I have successfully activated my direct link. So now I'm going to click on copy, and I'm going to paste this in my browser to see what will happen. And it's blank, and I'm going to go to the incognito tab, and I'm going to paste this link, and yet this is blank. And so now I'm going to go to my blog, and this is motivationallogy.blogspot.com, and this website is owned by me. And now I'm going to try to go to this website's back end, and this is the back end of my website, Motivationalogy. And now I'm going to proceed to the one post which I have submitted, and I'm going to go to this section, and here I can enter a text name direct link, or I can create a post. So now I'm going to show you whether the direct link is working or not, and I'll show you how you can make money from this direct link. So now I'm going to show you the direct link feature. So now I'm going to click on update, and I'm going to go to this post, and I'm going to click on this direct link. And as you guys can see, this direct link is working. So now let's proceed to the Adsterra account or the dashboard, and let's click on statistics, and I'm going to select my today's date, and it's 29 September. So now I'm going to select this, and I'm going to click on apply, and it's still updating. So let's try to refresh this page. And it's refreshing, and so now I'm going to make my date to the current one. And as you guys can see, my CPM is $0.17, and I have 1 impression and 0 clicks because I have went from my own location. It shows me like this. So if I use a VPN, such as I can go to my extension and I can use a VPN, and I can just click on my direct link, and here it shows me that anonymous proxy detected. Click here, and this detected my VPN, which is a smart service. So now I'm going to off this, and I'm going to again click on this direct link, and which will redirect me to my so now I'm going to open this in incognito, and you guys can see this redirects me to various types of websites, and using this redirection service I can earn money from this. So now I'm going to try to refresh this again to check whether my clicks are updated. So I'm going to click on and apply, and this is not yet updated. So how to make money by adding these types of direct links? So now I'm going to share with you how you can make money by adding these types of direct links, and proceed to Google Trends, which is an awesome service by Google. It will show all the trending topics. So I can select my country zone as United States, and I can see what are the most famous topics in my state. So now I'm going to select as United States, and Queen Elizabeth II is one of the most famous and trending topic around UK and US, and I'm going to, if I click on this, it will show me the stats and how it's growing and where are the places its growth is much, and I can just create a blog post related to Queen Elizabeth, and I can create just a demo one, or if you are targeting, you can just create so now I'm going to remove this one, and I'm going to click on update, and I can create a new post by copying Queen Elizabeth II, and I can use this, and I can write blog post related to Queen Elizabeth, and I can say that click here to see Queen Elizabeth's total wealth, and I can just make this sentence looks bold, because lots of people will try to click these types of sentence because people like the wealth most, and I can just paste this direct link, and I can click on open this link in a new tab, and I can just click on publish, and if I publish, I can see the post, and here it's a link, so just I can click and earn money, and per each impression I will get $0.17, and I can earn lots of money, and I can just promote this post. This is a demo one. If you make a post perfectly regarding these topics, you can just share on Facebook, Pinterest, Quora, and you can get lots and lots of traffic, and lots of people will click these types of links in order to visit this. When they click, you will earn money, and now let's see whether we have earned money from this direct link. Just I'm going to apply this, and it's still on the process of updating, and This will show my country and what devices we used and the operating system, and here it shows my revenue has increased, and based on the 0.01 my revenue is 0.01 and it has increased, and you get 0.0 or 0.01 dollars per visit or per link click, and like 1,000 people click these links, you will get lots and lots of revenue per day. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe TechFox YouTube channel for more video tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next one.